Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where we stuck with you and we are always smiling. So today is actually June the 24th.
Yeah.
It's a Sunday. This is a very unplanned vlog because I know that I won't be vlogging until week after next. I know the videos that I want to shoot for you guys. I did promise you guys that the next video is going to be by the river cooking. Before I even continue to that, guys, I want to say thank you to everyone who liked that last video, because I did ask for 200 likes. It's over 1,000. Like, guys, keep liking the videos. It's really important to help to grow our channel. Also, for the people that shared the video, that video got like maybe close to 200 shares the last time I checked. So guys, thank you so much. That's very helpful, you know, to share our culture with other people. There are a lot of people who want to come to Jamaica, or a lot of Jamaicans that want to go to the places and do these things and they don't know how. And that's pretty much what our channel is about, to show you like some of the coolest spots that you can go to, affordable spots, and you know, things that you can do. So yeah, I'm not gonna be vlogging for until like a week and a half. We're going to be taking some out-of-town trips and we're going to be doing more food vlogs, and I'm very happy for that I found like a niche, like something that you guys like to watch. So I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more of that. I've been making plans as to the stuff that I want to cook or want to experiment with you guys on, especially, you know, Rastafarian food. I definitely like doing the Rastafarian food because for me it's not easy. I think vegan, when people decide to take on the vegan lifestyle, it's not an easy choice, and you have to be extremely creative. Because when you think about other kind of dishes like bacon and meat and pork and whatever, it's easy because those things come with a lot of flavor. But with vegetables, you have to really be creative to make those dishes become really amazing and unique. So I'm gonna be happy to be doing that, and as well as some other old-time Jamaican recipes I'm going to be doing for you guys. But today's video really though is us going to breakfast at this place that I think is super affordable. It's called Tea Tree Creperie. I did take my mother here for her birthday, but I couldn't vlog it because my camera was giving an issue when I got here, so I was like, crap. But I'm going to take you guys here. I like this place because if you're American or you are not so into Jamaican food, you can...
He liked it because Judah hooked him up on it.
Whatever. If you're not too into Jamaican food, or you're American, or you want to have some Americanized kind of food, this is a great place. And yo, trust me, it's affordable. So you can come here, you know, do your snaps, do your videos, and people are gonna be thinking that you were balling, you were spending a lot of cash, but really and truly, you weren't. It's that affordable. All right, guys, we're gonna get into it. Show you guys how I'm serious about it, guys. Like, I have work pretty soon, so just in case I don't get back in time, I do have my laptop so I can pick up and, you know, deal with one of my clients. But yeah, we have to get the vlogs them out, isn't it? But yeah, guys, as you realize, like, I have to be very dedicated with YouTube. Any of you who are thinking about doing a YouTube channel, you definitely have to be very dedicated. It's super important, because there are going to be days where you're going to have work or you're going to have something else to do, but it's a part of it too. You know, you work hard and the channel will grow. And there you got little mama over there. Oh, secret. Not a secret, because I'm going to tell you guys. She's starting a YouTube channel. But look at her. Look at like she's rethinking it because she realizes how much time it takes and how much dedication. So maybe she's going to put it out. I don't know, but when she does, I will definitely hit you guys up with a link. Ooh, so we are at Tea Tree Creperie. Guys, in here is it's a lot more busy than I thought it would be. Yeah, guys, so we're pretty much now just waiting on our seat. You guys can see the whole layout. It's pretty well supported. And they got the World Cup on the TV right now. For me, I don't know about nobody else but Brazil. One I support. Every team I support, for me, I Brazil 100%. Brazil are going to win the World Cup. Remember me telling you on Soai vlogs today, June the 24th, I said that. So as you guys can see, like in here, it's pretty much fully booked out. We just got our table cleaned up, so that's a good look already. And they also have outdoor seatings. If I was supposed to describe this place to anywhere, I would say it's like
Jamaican IHOP.
Yeah, mixed with a Starbucks, you know. Yeah, but mostly IHOP, as Judah said. That's what I definitely put it as. The last time I went here, I came here, it was pretty much just me and my mom and someone else, but the customer service here was amazing. Now it's a lot more people. So far the customer service has been really good because they got our tables cleaned really quick already, and let's see. But I think Judah took my sister here for her birthday.
Yeah.
What was it like?
It was good. It wasn't packed the night we came. Quick customer service. We got a free dessert for her birthday and stuff. So it was pretty cute.
I'll show you guys really quick what they have here. So Judah's getting the pancakes, it's like $400, and I'm getting the French toast, which is like $400 too. Of course, you can add stuff to it, so it all depends on what you want to do. Guys, Judah has this really bad habit of whenever you can go.
One egg is 100 and two eggs is 200.
Give me two eggs then. Okay, thank you. So yeah, Judah has this really bad habit. Whenever she introduces me to something, she just goes, "Thank you," as if like I don't even know, man.
Gotta give props to greatness.
Do what? Am I the only person that has a girlfriend like that? You gotta make sure they get them props. And if I tell her something or I teach her something, she acts as if like she already know. So,
It's not true.
yeah, it's true. It's 100%. Bruh. Another FYI, guys. In here, you can actually write your name on the walls. Like there's designated pages you can actually write your name on. I did write Soai vlogs on it the last time I was here, so if you guys ever come here, don't be afraid to take a picture and send it to me and show me that you were here beside the Soai vlogs picture. It's to the left of the entrance, like down to the floor. That's pretty much where it is. If I do remember, I will do a quick snap of it, but some people are eating right there, so you won't be able to I won't be able to go disturb them right now, but hopefully I can. Alright guys, so pretty much I found where they want to show now. So it's down here. So you guys, if you ever come here, don't be afraid to take a picture, send it to me. Soai vlogs, I was here on the 25th of May, 2018. Wow. Someone's birthday. Yo guys, I'm telling you about this place. That was pretty unique. Like they had someone singing their happy birthday. Yo, that was pretty dope. So the breakfast just got here, and I'm telling you, I can smell like the cinnamon from the French toast. It smells really good already. I hear the sausages here are good, so, and I got my eggs over easy. Yeah, kind of strange how me eat my egg them still, but I'm about to eat this and I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is like. If I really enjoy it, you know, if I don't like the food, I'm gonna tell you. Tell you something, man. That place is coming because of bad one. Probably the best tasting pancakes I've ever had. Let me tell you, it's nothing compared to IHOP. The pancake is way better than IHOP. It actually tastes like homemade pancakes. It's that good. And this French toast, the best French toast I've ever had in my life, hands down, bro. Yo, we don't talk to you on food time, yeah, man? Alright guys, and that amount is around like $15 US, which I know at IHOP that's pretty much only for one person, and that food I got for two persons, and the quality of the food is like way better, like hands down it's way better. Some persons have gone to the restaurants that I've been to and they've definitely liked it. If you come here, you're gonna definitely like this one as well, so definitely check it out guys. and yo, your mind is gonna be blown. Alright guys, so as I like to say in the videos, it's always good to leave a tip. Personally, her customer service was like awesome, so it's really good. Judah.
I'm full, but yeah, she was bomb. I liked her.
Yeah, Judah covered the tip pretty much just now, so it's bomb. And yeah, we're ready to leave that place now. Food is mad. Food ton up. If you're coming from foreign and you want to come to Jamaica and eat some really mad food from foreign, come here, food ton up. You see me? Mad thing. Alright guys, so you can see like there's quite a few more people outside. Yo, what was really cool just now, I saw Yendi Phillips. Yo, if I wasn't with Judah, I would be with Yendi Phillips, but because I'm with Judah, I have to, yeah, so whatever. I'm just shooting this guy just to show you beautiful day in Jamaica. That's it pretty much. It's loud though. Thanks, man. Is that the first time we ever kissed on camera? Nah. I don't know. You guys tell us. But anyway, guys, I have like half an hour to get home, so I can start with this whole work thing. And Judah has work too at 12 o'clock, so yeah. All right, guys. So we're pretty much heading in. I was a little bit noisy, so I had to come in the car and do this. Yo, if you guys are at the end of the video and you like the video, please give that video a like, a subscribe, and also share the video. Like, I really respect that. You are the people that help the channel to really grow. And big up to the people like who always like the video even before like they even start watching. I'm like that when I watch some videos of my favorite YouTubers. As soon as the person puts out a video, I like it because I've been waiting for that video for like a very long time. So big up to the people who like give me the respect and thing and the shout out them. Remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. And the next couple videos are gonna be bomb. We're about to take our summer vacation, do a lot of stuff, and have fun. See you guys.